First day of van life. Woo! It's raining and there's snow in the mountains. -5 in a couple of days during the day. So nice diesel heater, we can stay cozy and warm. We went to do the supply run.
Basics?
Yeah, basics, chips, wine. And we're parked at the bottom of Bunlock.
It's a little bit muddy.
And we kind of parked in mud. And out there, bit of rain. And yeah.
Oh my god, finally.
First night in the van.
Oh my god. We're home.
We finally did it, huh? Finally did it. Feels weird, but also feels normal, huh? Look at our first night's meal, huh? Happy van life, day, anniversary. What's the date?
4th.
4th of February is anniversary. Anniversary. Coined it. It's mine.
Look at that. Oh my god. It's
Yeah,
so
beautiful
nice.
table. Wow, this feels so posh. Good evening. Welcome to Ritzy Bubbles.
Cheers, Bunny.
Cheers, buddy.
To our
Yeah.
anniversary.
That's mine. Hashtag anniversary.
Action.
So, first time making the bed, huh? Now we have a full bed, double bed.
Look at that. So much space, huh?
Morning. Good morning up. And you can see it's snowing outside. Good morning. Bed made. Wasn't that harder? Took about 3 minutes. She started up nicely. And this is day 1 of van life. Ooh, day 1 of van life. Snow and the temperature is set to drop. We need to get south. We gotta go to the mechanic. Gotta be there in about an hour.
And yes, we made it out without no worries.
We didn't get stuck. I can feel the
She's
tires.
such a good guy.
Morning 1 of van life is at the mechanic. So she's up, getting a final check before we hit the journey. The oil leak was nothing, just a loose pipe. He's checking our gearbox oil now. Yeah, she's ready to go.
Yeah.
She's ready for a journey. Full tank of gas, fresh gearbox oil, no more leaks. Now this is the first proper
lunch in the van.
First proper lunch, first proper meal, huh? Nadok. Thank you for being our first guest, guys. Thank you for having us. You're welcome. Our friends just left. Goodbye, Mircha and Christy. Thanks for breaking our draw, Christy. Look at that snow. That snow outside. It is so deep already. And now we're going to go for a pee walker. It's been snowing for a few hours now. Cleaner's up there peeing somewhere. What are you doing? She fell over and made a snow angel. Day 2. Look at this. It's been snowing so much. I don't like it. Your baby. First coffee in the van. We still got this stupid cooker until we can find a gas bottle in Italy. Yeah. It's so precarious. I really don't like this thing. Yeah, we had the heater running the whole night.
What was it outside? -10?
In here it says 21 degrees, 22 degrees.
Yeah, 21 or so.
Yeah. Today we leave.
Towards Italy.
Morning coffees. Maybe we got to do it like they do it in the van life videos. This is fresh, organic, farm roasted Guatemalan. Oh no, wait, it's the cheapest Don Cafe coffee they have in Romania. And it was on special. Had the monitor down, watching telly, and we have the big speaker playing.
And we're out!
We're out! Venice.
Yes!
4 months of building. And we are finally on the road. just stopped for lunch, and I don't think we'll get out of Romania today, but we'll try. We might hit Hungary. What's that? What you got in that yogurt tin? That was wicked, bruv!
In 800 meters.
And we've made it to the Hungarian border. Pick a line, any line. Let's go for the middle one, huh?
In the middle of the night.
Where are we, buddy?
We crossed Romania.
Yeah.
We crossed into Hungary.
Feels like.
Yeah.
Where am I going?
I don't know.
Morning to a van life. Morning. We're in Hungary, bunny. There's a French car there. Some. Oh no. So we found this place in Park for night. We got here at 11 o'clock last night. That was good, eh? Coffee montage. The llama from Peru, eh?
It's a he or a she.
Why do we have to put a label on it?
We know what sort of name to give it. We have to work for it.
What did you just say? You said first I'm gonna have coffee and then what?
And then you're gonna poop.
Hey, talk about poop during B-roll. That's not proper van life etiquette. It is way too cold to have this door open, but that's the sacrifice you make for van life video social influencing.
It's nice and fresh air in the morning.
It's
but
really
we're
fresh.
gonna cook.
Saturday morning, 9th of February, and we're on our way through Hungary. What's her name? Juanita.
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 Leave it like that. Or I can go. Can I close it?
Yes. Yeah, we're just having a wander around this park. Just pretend like the camera's not there. I ain't going back to get the camera. That's how you vlog. And there she is collecting dead things to put in the van.
Look at it. It is so cute.
Yeah, we found drinking water. We haven't been able to use our sink yet because we haven't been able to find water to fill up our massive jugs. Nice. And today we're having a traditional Hungarian meal. Burger King. So you got about 50% of our order right, huh? So we ordered just like 2 wedges, and we somehow got 3 things of chips. There's our home right there.
Tell us again how you're the worst.
Just to put them.
And just like that, we're in Slovenia.
So there's no border? This one?
Nope. Okay. Let's get our expensive vineyards.
Your one.
Yeah. I don't know if it's gonna be 15
Ha!
or 30.
Don't hit me! Everyone in the video can see how you beat them.
If you leave me, what I do to
Stopping for a snack in Slovenia.
It's our first time brushing our teeth in the van.
We have indoor plumbing. Morning, bunny. Van life day 3. It's been raining. Where are we? Slovenia. Yeah, look how much they fogged, huh? And we're gonna get ready to drive again. Today we go to Italy. We
Yeah,
parked
this is where we parked.
right Trieste!
But we didn't go out for a walk because it was so rainy.
Because it's raining.
Italy!
Italy! Now, onwards to Venice.
We're gonna have our first meal in Italy.
IKEA.
Veggie sausage!
We are the worst. Burger King in Hungary. IKEA.
Soak in that
hot
culture.
dogs. Yep, that's us. Posh food in Italy. Posh IKEA food in Italy.
Veggie burger for 50 cents.
Hot dog. Finally, real coffee. Cook a bunny. This may very well be our last will and testament. If we don't do it right, we could blow ourselves up. Okay. What the hell?
Didn't you put it in the jackets and the other?
So all that effort was to move that over those, like, what is it? 1, 2, 3, onto the 4th. And hopefully that's enough. Otherwise, kaboom! But
Scared to start it, but we do have a working cooker. We're prepared in case something will go wrong.
Alright, €85.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, Bunny, we did it.
Yay!
Got a full kitchen now. Running water, gas.
Oh. All the goodies.
Close.
He's really tired.
What are you doing there, Bunny?
Cooking.
Do we cook? No, first time cooking in the
Yeah.
van.
It is the first time cooking.
We're having a noodle soup and we're gonna watch a movie. Got the telly set up. I heard some noises outside. Let's see. Let's see. Someone walking their dog. Yeah, we see you, bro. Keep walking.